Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Citi Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type in citi.com. It will take you to the official website of Citi Bank, and over here you can see the login portal. Enter the user ID of your account and in the password section enter the password of your account. To confirm what you typed, click on the eye icon over here. And once you do that, click on sign in button. You will be signed into your Citibank account. And in case if you guys forgot your user ID or password, click here forgot user ID and password to reset it. And to create a new account in Citibank, click here register to create a new account. So this much for this video. This is how you can log in into your Citibank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.